the second part to that mushroom soup video. I figured I'd show you guys one of my favorite ways of cooking some pork chops in the cooler weather. Once I find my, there we go. Gotta find my oven mitts here. Okay. If I had one single casserole dish, this would work better, but I don't. I have smaller ones for some reason. I don't know why I don't have one big one. I really should just get one big one. But what we're going to do, I'm pretty sure everybody knows where I'm going with this. Rice in the bottom. Mushroom soup. I'm just breaking it up between the two. Okay, kind of stir that up. Make sure all the rice is lovely coated. Okay, and I have sprayed my pans already just to make this a little bit easier to clean up. Then what you want to do is take your pork chops, which I have just kind of lightly fried off here. You just want to get them in that soup. I kind of have to layer them a little bit here because I still got two more to get in the pans, which won't be too bad. A little hot. That one's a little hot. Owie, owie. Okay. It's fine though. Actually, I'm going to do this. Put that one in there. That one just kind of slide a little bit. I don't know what my dog's woofing at here. Alright. By the time this is all said and done, they'll be covered in the mushroom soup, so it really doesn't matter how they stack up in the end. Okay. I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of the soup mix just on top. So like I said, guys, if you had a big enough casserole dish, this wouldn't be an issue. It's just I don't have one at the moment. Oh. Dishes are talking to me. Alright, so this is going to go into my oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Just so I know the pork chops are nice and cooked. And so the rice is fully cooked as well. I cooked this between 375 and 400. Just depends on your oven, but I'll show you what this looks like when it's all said and done. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I've just pulled these out of the oven. You know you want to see them. You want to see them in all their glory, right? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. So we've got our wonderfully cooked pork chops. I did rotate them while they were cooking. Let me just kind of show you here. And we got all that lovely rice that has been cooked in the mushroom soup. And the stuff that's along the edges, the crispy bits. I'm sorry, those are my favorite part. Look at all that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is delicious right there. But so there we go. Serving this up with some steamed cauliflower. I know it's a pretty bland looking plate, but I don't really care. It's delicious. And I also got some green beans in the fridge from supper last night. We'll use those up too. So there we go. Super easy, super delicious, and one way to use mushroom soup. I'm assuming everybody knows this dish anyway, because it's fantastic. So see, you can still have it being gluten-free and dairy-free. You just have to make little improvises, that's all. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you soon. Bye.